All right, guys. Hey, Kevin here again. Let's go over workout one, event one of the 2025 Motown Throwdown. We have running with the bulls. This is going to be a pretty cool workout to see and a pretty cool event to do. How this is going to work. I'm not an artist. This is what the field looks like. What's blue is like the padding fence that you guys are going to have. What's going to happen is we are going to set roughly 15 to maybe 20 plus teams to go out at once. But here's how it's going to look. We are going to stagger you guys around the stadium, spaced out as evenly as we can make it, so you're not bunched up, okay? So when we start, you guys, you'll find a judge. There'll be judges throughout the around the stadium. You guys will find a judge. At the count of 3, 2, 1, go. Partner one will start their workout. Let's say that this star is my team. I will run 1 lap around the stadium. That's 400 meters. Once I get back, I will tag my partner. My partner will run 1 lap around the stadium. Once my partner gets back, we both run 1 lap around the stadium. So partner run will do a 400 meter run, and then they will rest while partner 2 does a 400, and then partner 1 and 2 will run a 400 meter run together. So there's a couple things we need to talk about here. One, your goal is to run this as fast as you can, which means that you might end up passing the teams that are in front of you, which is what we want. We want this to be a cat and mouse game where you're trying to pass the people in front, but you're trying to not get caught up behind you. There are going to be 3 choke points where you are not allowed to pass people, and that's for safety, and just that way it doesn't get super bottlenecked and super congested. Behind home plate, we're going to have some barriers where you are not allowed to pass each other, okay? In the first base foul line, where it kind of comes to an intersection, there's also going to be some barriers where you are not allowed to pass. And then same thing in that third base side, there's going to be some barriers where you're not allowed to pass your competitors. So if you are going to pass your competitors, it must happen between here, between here, in between here. So you can run and you can pass them as much as you want. Now, you must, and it'll make sense once you guys get out there, you must stay in the like dirt colored area, the warning track area. You are not allowed to shortcut to pass somebody, so much so to where it gives you an advantage. If we find that you guys are cutting so much, there will be a penalty assessed. How we will dictate that is when you check in, based on when you guys registered, you will get a number that is attached, or that is written, I'm sorry, on your hand, on your arm, and on your calf. That way, if we happen to see a runner just absolutely belligerently run and make their route shorter, the judges that are around, because every team will have a judge, and there'll be 30 plus judges out there, will write down 22. When the workout is done, we'll figure out who was 22, what team were they, what did we see, and if we dictate that it was a blatant act to gain an advantage, we'll assess a penalty, or we'll talk to that team and figure out what we saw. So, workout one, running with the bulls. 4 time, partner 1 will do a 400 meter run, partner 2 will do a 400 meter run, partner 1 and 2 will run 400 meters. You will hold on to a tethered piece of material where you guys must run together and when you cross that finish line. So be ready, a nice little cat and mouse game, a good way to start off the event. It'll be a little chaotic when we start, but it should be a really cool event for you guys to get after. Good luck, have fun, and we'll see you soon.